Hey, what is up, guys? It's Mike from Cruise Bed Adventures here, and it's time for another room tour. All right, we're in room 2560, which is an ocean view cabin. And when you walk in, immediately on your right hand side, you got your storage areas where you've got your hangers and you've got your shelves, place for your suitcase, and I guess that's where they store the ladders for the Pullman sleeper beds. And back to your left, you have your restroom. And it's what the light is out here. And as you can see, you have your shower with the glass doors, adjustable head, with the body wash, shampoo and body wash station. And you've got your sink area with your compartment to put stuff in. And you also have these hooks up here to put your hats and bags, whatever you need. And of course you have your full-length mirror. And then back over to the right, you have your vanity area with a desk. You have several drawers, and the top drawer there has your hair dryer in it, trash can, more drawers, and then you also have your refrigerator, or cooler as they call it. And of course you have your flat screen TV, and you have your safe, more storage above the cabinets. You also have storage on each side of the lights, thermostat, and you can see here you have your outlets, your overseas outlet. And then back over here to the left, you have a little love seat to sit on. And you have your king size bed, which can be split into two twins. You have a reading lamp on either side, end table on either side, phone, and your master switch to control the lights over here. And last but not least, you have your ocean view window. So all right, that is going to conclude the tour, and hope you found it informative. This room, you know, I wouldn't recommend this room for a family because it is kind of a smaller ocean view cabin. I mean, I've been in other ocean views that you know, were a little bit more spacious, but you know, for one or two people would probably be perfect. But Other than that, that is all I've got for the tour. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you found it useful. And as always, if you like this content, please consider giving it a thumbs up on the way out. And if you're new to this channel, you're just watching this, and you want to stay up to date on everything that I've got going on, then consider subscribing. It doesn't cost you anything. It's 100% free. Helps the channel out, and I greatly appreciate it. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, and I will see you on the next video. Take care, everybody.